One man builds a boat in the middle of dry land. Everyone laughs at him, but he doesn't care. God had told Noah about an upcoming flood, so Noah was busy building a boat. He didn't have time to explain to everyone why he was building a boat in the middle of a field. 2 by 2, the animals lined up to get on the boat. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights. Finally, the rain stopped. Noah and the animals were safe on the boat. And when they looked up, they saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Moral of the story: faith, obedience, and God's covenant with humanity. Like and subscribe for more.